Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to open Trust Wallet on your laptop. Trust Wallet is primarily a mobile application, so to use it on a desktop or laptop computer, you will need to install an Android emulator. This software creates a virtual Android environment on your computer. Begin by downloading a reputable emulator, such as BlueStacks, from its official website to ensure security and compatibility. Once downloaded, install the Android emulator on your laptop by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the emulator. It will present an interface similar to an Android phone or tablet. Navigate to the Google Play Store within the emulator, search for Trust Wallet, and then proceed to install the official application just as you would on a mobile device. With Trust Wallet installed in the emulator, open the application. You will then have two options: either create a brand new wallet or import an existing one. If you are importing, carefully enter your 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is crucial for accessing your funds, so ensure it is accurate and kept completely private. Double-check every word before proceeding. Congratulations! Your Trust Wallet is now fully operational on your laptop through the Android emulator. You can now manage your cryptocurrencies, send and receive funds, and interact with decentralized applications just as you would on your mobile device. Remember to always prioritize the security of your recovery phrase, never share it with anyone, and store it in a safe, offline location.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.